Good day, everyone. Today we are going to report about properties of solids. Look inside your school bag. What do you see? You see books, notebooks, pencil, and crayons. These objects are solids. Solids are objects that have a definite shape and volume. A solid retains its shape no matter where it is placed. A notebook has definite shape.
The particles in a solid are very close to one another. These particles move very little. They move in place. This is why solids have a definite shape.
Solids occupy space. The pair of baby shoes is solid. It takes up space inside the box and on the floor.
Solids have mass. The mass of a solid object is measured using a balance. These mangoes have a mass of 500 grams.
Solids have other special properties. Malleability is a property of solids that enables it to be bent or hammered into thin sheets or other shape under pressure without breaking. Example: gold, silver, copper, aluminum, and lead.
Hardness is a property of solid that enables it to resist pressure or scratching. Harder solids such as diamond, quartz, and steel are more difficult to cut or shape. Cutting tools, machines, and materials for construction are usually hard.
Ductility is a property of a solid that allows it to be stretched into wire. Gold, copper, aluminum, and steel have high ductility.
Brittleness is a property of solid that allows it to be broken down into pieces. Glass, bricks, ceramics, and chalk are examples of solids that are brittle.
Elasticity. It is a property of solid that allows it to be stretched or changed and then return to its original form. A rubber band is a solid that is elastic.
Thank you for listening.
listening.
Hope you learned
We hope
something
you
new.
learned something new.